Yeah, on this question here, what are you gonna do? You're gonna draw this graph. You also draw this graph. So this is what I did here. I drew the x squared graph and also the y equals x graph. So I realized that they intersect here because the restriction says that we have x from 0 to 1. You said that. That's why I first wrote the region. So this is the type 1 region where y is the subject of the formula. So I start with 0, 1, which is for x. This last one is for x. And then I write for y from x squared to x. And this one is with respect to y. So now what I do next is, after drawing this graph, I realize that this is with respect to y. Then I'm gonna sketch this going up. It means that on x I'm just gonna take this, right? So I'm just going to, for the first region, I'm going to take this. So I'm just going to take from 0 to 1. So what I could also do here, I would say that for the other part of y, since I'm moving from this one of x squared to x, so this is the lower part, this is the upper part, that I'm taking like this. So when I come to change the order, I'm gonna take the same graph. Now I change the arrows. Now the arrows are gonna go to the right instead of going up. So this will be the new region. So the new region will come to say that now I'm gonna come here and make a x with the formula. So on the left part, if I make x with the formula, this says this. If I make x with the formula, I'm gonna have this. I'm going to have x squared is equals to y. Then I'm going to have y is equals to, no, root of y is equals to x. So this will be the upper part, right? So I can make x with the formula here. So it means that now I'm going to move like this. This is going to move from this region. So let's make this. Instead of making that, we can also say this. Y is going to move now from 0 to 1. Y will move from 0 to 1, while x now moves from, now I want to make this x up with the formula you see right now. So x will move from this, so this will be y to root of y. We see right, it's moving from y. Now this will be changed to root of y, to root of y. So now since we have this idea, now whatever that we have should make sense, right? It should make sense. So we check this region. We want to confirm if this region is correct. So the question is, how can x be greater than y and being less than root of y? How can that happen? So it means that for us to fix this, so make sure that your regions are correct, right? Your regions are correct. So it means that we can now take on a new region. We know that this one is the one that makes sense, right? So we can take on a new region to say that this will move from 0, y will move from 0 until x, because we know that x is the one that is greater than y. So we can move that one to there. Then here we say that we'll check this one. We say right. Now this makes sense. Make sure that your regions are making sense. So this can make sense because this makes sense. So I just had to separate these two. Separate these two. You see right. And then we know that all of them are greater than 0. So we can just put them like this. So it means that the new integral will be from 0 to x, from 0 to root of y. So it'll be x over y into the y. Then what we have inside is 4x dy. Then we can integrate this.